Are you looking for the best tablet for animation? In this video we will look at some of the best tablet for animation on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro. Pen pressure, 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, active area, 82x 5.83 stylus, battery life, battery-free stylus, number of shortcut buttons, 8. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a medium-sized, yet powerful tablet that is ideally suited for graphic artists of all kinds. We appreciated its compactness as it allowed for a seamless introduction without sacrificing any workspace. The animation pad itself has multiple gesture capabilities that allowed us to speed up our workflow. The battery-free stylus pen has natural tilt recognition and easily followed our hand movements. The graphics tablet also has customizable express keys, radial menus, and pen side switches. This is handy if you're ambidextrous and want to rest one hand. You don't have to stick to the medium size either, as this drawing tablet for animation also comes in small and large. Being part of a long list of reliable Wacom tablets, we had high expectations for the Wacom Intuos Pro. Fortunately, we weren't disappointed with what we consider to be the best Wacom tablet for animation. Number 2. Hushin H610X Pro Tablet. Pen pressure, 8192 active area, 10x6.25 stylus, battery life, battery-free, number of shortcut buttons, 8. The Hushin H610X tablet is a lightweight but large drawing pad for animation that is a great mix of size and functionality. The tablet itself has a matte surface, which gave us the feeling we were drawing on paper and prevented any pen slippages that can affect efficiency. Compared to the Hushin H420's 3 express keys, the 610X has 8 customizable buttons along the side. It also features a battery-free pen that boasts 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which allows for the production of clearly defined lines. Unfortunately, we noticed that the pen had some lag to it when we drew really fast or erased large portions at once. But these weren't speeds we expect any artist to draw at, so it shouldn't be an issue. Equipped with a battery-free stylus pen, we didn't have to worry about whether this device had a good battery life or not. If you, unfortunately, break one of your nibs, worry not, as there are 8 replacement nibs that come with this drawing tablet for animation. We also like that we had 2 more customizable buttons on the pen itself in addition to the 8 on the tablet. Number 3. Wacom One. Pen pressure, 4096 active area, 6x6.5 stylus, battery life, battery-free stylus, number of shortcut buttons, none. The Wacom One is one of the best beginner animation tablets on the market. Wacom is known as the leader of graphics tablets, and this one is no exception. If you are just starting in digital art, you won't go wrong with this 13.3 animation drawing pad. One of our favorite touches with this drawing tablet is that it comes with complimentary creative software which saved us money. This includes Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, Bamboo Paper Pro, Clip Studio Paint Pro, and Adobe Fresco. Just keep in mind that these licenses are valid for 6 months at most. As a display tablet, there are no hotkeys and you can simply control your drawing experience on screen. This is also advantageous for left-handers, as these can be placed on the right-hand side too. We would have, however, appreciated some touchscreen functionality, as numerous drawing tablets with screens have this. Given its impressive 11.6 x 6.5 drawing surface area, screen display, and relatively affordable price, we recommend this device to beginner animators. Seasoned pros will also benefit from a purchase if they are transitioning from a non-display tablet. Number 4. Hushin Canvas 12 Animation Tablet. The Hushin Canvas is a powerful and effective device that can easily stake its claim as the best graphic tablet for animation. Boasting 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, we were afforded enough range to perfect even the finest of details. The tablet has a 1920x1080 Full HD screen resolution with a digital pen that works as well as a real one. While all the features are impressive, perhaps our favorite thing about this drawing tablet was how well it fit into laptop bags or carry-ons when on the move. Even as a display tablet, we appreciated the fact that it came with customizable shortcut keys for us to use. A neat option we loved was the ability to choose either left or right-handed settings in the Hushin drivers. A lack of touchscreen features is normally a con more than it is a pro, especially when many display tablets have these. However, this is definitely a pro if you have cursed fat fingers.